Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to delete a server on Discord. So here I have a server that only me on the member, since this project already done, so I'm the last man standing here because I'm the who created this server. I want to delete this server. Actually, this is very easy. I just press and hold on the server and then click on the more options like this, and then you can see this is the setting option. You just click on setting option and then click on this overview, and then scroll down. You can find this delete server, so I just click that one and then press yes, and then the server already deleted and you good to go. So very easy. And if you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.